The double degree in Bachelor in Business Administration and Bachelor in Artificial Intelligence for Business is a 5-year program here at Esade that lies at the intersection of artificial intelligence and business. As a program, it aims to provide students with tools to make data-driven decisions and to understand the impact of those decisions from an economic, social, and environmental perspective. This program aims to train hybrid profiles of students. So this means students or professionals at that time that lie at the intersection of business and technology. So this means people who are able to speak both languages and who can act as translators for both sides. As in, it's a program that aims to see business and technology not as two different sides of a coin, but as two worlds that can merge together. Being able to answer questions related to how do you design a data-driven organization requires a multidisciplinary perspective. We have a very international student cohort in here with students coming not only from Europe and Spain, but also from other international locations. It also means diversity from the perspective of gender. It's also a program that would bring students opportunities of learning from other environments. So through our exchange program, at the 4th and 5th year, students will be able to visit some other places, some other institutions and universities, and to learn from those contexts too. This is a double degree program, and this of course means that it combines learning from two different bachelors. We have a third of the courses approximately belonging to the BBA, as in courses more oriented to understanding how a business works. The other third is oriented to equipping the students with technical tools. And then the final third is a mixture between both programs and aims to integrate both perspectives into a single narrative. Students need to be equipped with an understanding of what is the state of the art within this discipline. So this means somehow being able to understand how research works, to keep up with whatever is out there. From a methodological perspective, it's important that students from very early on stages in the program have a very real hands-on approach to their learning. This means that students get to program live in class. It means that students have an active conversation with companies out there. This program will offer opportunities for students to become either data scientists, data engineers, data architects, or more business-related profiles such as data consulting or business analytics experts. They might also want to move into the more business intelligence related part of the company.